Pranam to all. How are you? I hope you are all fine. Today I will not talk about any flowering plant care. Instead, today I will talk about an aromatic medicinal plant. Before starting the video, I have a small request for you. Only 3% of all our viewers are subscribed to our channel. So if you like our videos, it would be very nice if you subscribe our channel. We would be very grateful. Okay, with that, let's move on the main topic. Today's plant is curry plant. The curry plant, scientifically known as Murraya conigli, is a small evergreen shrub native to South Asia. Its aromatic leaves are a staple in various cuisines, imparting a distinct flavor to dishes. Beyond its culinary use, this plant also holds significance in traditional medicine and is cherished for its ornamental qualities. You just saw what my mom did. The plants that she had done mulching has grown so healthy and beautifully. So in the next plant, my mom is again doing mulching. So you can see how to do the mulching now. Instead of brown paper, you can also use dry leaves or dry grass. A curry leaf prefer to be on moist, well-drained soil which has pH that's slightly acidic. Right now my mom is doing pruning. Pruning is needed for this plant as it makes the plant healthy and bushy. So you could do top pruning to arrest the plant's height and encourage lateral growth. And for the fertilizer, curry leaves don't need regular fertilizer. If you add organic matter such as compost or animal manure, it is enough for the growth of your plant. But digging is the most important for aeration. But sometimes my mom gives rice water, buttermilk, and sometimes liquid sour curd too. This will help the growing curry leaves to turn lush. Now let me tell you about one special technique which makes our curry plant so healthy and lush. My mom has made small holes on a 1 liter bottle cap. Spray bottle can also be used. Take a full bottle of water and add 5 to 10 ml of Bioenzyme. The ones that have been watching this for a long time already know what is Bioenzyme. But if you don't know, there's always a way. There is a full playlist where we have taught you how to make different kinds of Bioenzyme. So every 2 weeks interval, you can spray this water on the foliage of your curry leaf plant and also on the soil. Trust me, this is a very excellent tip. I hope this video has helped you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.